What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this video today because not only is it not just about GTIs, it's about the top 5 best sports cars you can buy under $10,000. The reason why I'm doing this video is because I've seen a few of these videos talk about the best cars and that you can get under $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 for a sporty car. And honestly, they're getting the prices wrong on those cars and your expectations to what you can find in the United States specifically. First off, what I mean by that is a lot of these guys are doing top 5 sports cars under $5,000. And I've seen a lot of the cars they put on there, that's not the case. You can't get it under $5,000 unless you want it clapped out, beat to crap, having all these problems, which kind of irritates me because you as a viewer watching, you're probably going to go online, look for it, and notice that that car or those cars they were talking about are not under $5,000. And if they are horrible. Don't get me wrong, you can find one under $5,000, but it just doesn't happen. So before we get started, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe, tell me what you own, what you bought it for, and if I'm in the wrong with this, but let's go ahead and get started. The first car on my list under $10,000 that you can actually get realistically in the United States is a Infiniti G37. This is a great all-around sports car. You can get it a 2-wheel drive and a all-wheel drive. It's G37X or just the G37. I had personally owned a G37X, and that car I got for way in the $10,000 range. I got that car for, I believe, $8,200. That being said, I found a pretty good deal, but I've seen several of them being under 10 grand. You'll find more above 10 grand because people think they're worth more or that they have lower miles. Those are the two things that go with it. The next car that everyone is getting wrong on these top 5 undervalued cars is the Subaru WRX. 2007 in that area does not go for under $5,000 unless it has something wrong, thousands and thousands of miles on it. You can find those cars easily under $10,000, but hardly under $5,000. The next number 3 car, in my opinion, that I just absolutely love that is under $10,000. A lot of you viewers that are subscribed to my channel, you probably know. It is going to be the Volkswagen GTI. You can find the Mark 6, Mark 5, definitely Mark 4 for under 10 grand. Mark 6, you can find a lot of them for under 10 grand that have a fair amount of miles, like right around 90,000 miles. You'll be seeing GTIs hanging out at about $8,000. And right around 70,000 miles, you're gonna see GTIs at about 10, right there, floating right there with some pretty good mods and very well quality. So GTI, best, most fun hot hatch under $10,000. The other hot hatch that you cannot yet buy under $10,000 is the Ford ST. Number 4 is going to be the Audi S4. The Audi S4 is a great sports car, and those that I'm talking about is the B5, B6, and sometimes the B7, depending on what it can be. B7s usually hang out right at a 10 and 11 if they're very well taken care of and a really good purchase. Number 5, no specific order, so if you hear any of these cars, there's no order to them. They're just the top 5 best that you can buy under $10,000 is a 350Z. 350Zs are a very fun car to drive, enjoy, and have fun with. You're gonna find those cars hang around the price of $6,000 to $8,000 depending on its quality. You can find more right around 4 or 5, just way more beat up and not very appealing. So I personally picked these top 5 sports cars under $10,000 because of my experience with them, how much fun they are, the mods you can do to them, and the price at which they are placed. I hope you enjoy this video. It's very quick on the top 5 sports cars you can find under $10,000. I wanted to make this because I feel that there isn't a lot of transparency out there for those cars. Everyone just finds those sports cars the cheapest they can find, not realizing those are unrealistic and usually always crappy. So I hope you find this very informational, and if so, please leave a comment. Tell me what car you own, how much you got it for. Let's totally see if I'm in the wrong. Go ahead, like, subscribe. If you haven't already, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers for a giveaway. So if you want to be a part of that, definitely go ahead and subscribe. and I will see you guys on the next video. Pieces out. Whoa!